Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're a small business owner, freelancer, or just someone looking for a free but powerful accounting tool, today's review is for you. We are diving deep into Wave Accounting, a cloud-based financial software that has gained a lot of popularity, especially among startups and solopreneurs. I have spent some time using it, testing its features, and comparing it with other tools. So let's break it down. Um, what is Wave Accounting? What is it about? Wave Accounting is a free financial software designed primarily for freelancers, small business owners, and entrepreneurs. It offers a suite of tools that handle invoicing, accounting, receipt scanning, and even payroll, all from a single platform. Its main goal is to simplify the accounting process for users who might not have a finance background. Whether you're managing invoices, tracking expenses, or trying to get a better handle on cash flow, Wave aims to make it straightforward. Now let's take a look at the user interface and the user experience. Now, if you go through the website, scroll through the website, you get to see that one of the first things you will notice is the clean, minimalist dashboard. It has got a professional feel without overwhelming you. Okay, navigation is intuitive. Everything is neatly categorized in the menu. Sales, purchases, accounting, banking, and so on. Now, if you hover on the features, you get to see that, just by hovering on the features, you get to see the invoicing option, payment solution, accounting, estimate, receipts, payroll, advisors, and also the pricing as well. If you click on that, you get to see the details about the pricing and also resources. So um, even if you're not familiar with accounting terms, Web doesn't feel intimidating. The learning curve is remarkably shallow, especially for basic features like creating invoices or checking your financial reports. So right now we are going to take a look at the features and capabilities. So we are going to look at free invoicing. We're going to look at accounting and reporting. We're going to look at bank reconciliation, payroll services, and also going to touch on the receipt. So as for the free invoicing, free invoicing with customizable templates, recurring invoices, and payment reminders. That is what Wave Accounting offer when it comes to the invoicing. As for the accounting and reporting, it tracks income, expenses, and generates profit and loss statements. Also for the bank uh, reconciliation option, you can connect your bank account and auto import transactions. For the receipt scanning you can use their mobile app to scan receipts. Then for the payroll services, it's only available in some selected countries, and it is not free as well. Okay. Now, what is Wave Accounting unique selling point? Unlike most platforms that put invoicing behind a paywall or limit features in the free plan, Wave's core accounting and invoicing tools are 100% free. Compared to tools like QuickBooks or Xero, Wave may not be as feature-rich for medium to large businesses, but for solopreneurs and small operations, it is incredibly robust without the price tag. Now let's talk about the performance and reliability. In my experience, Wave is fast, responsive, and cloud-based, so there's no need for installations or updates. It is cloud based, so there's no point in looking forward to updates or installations. I haven't encountered any crashes or major bugs. However, syncing bank accounts may occasionally delay transactions for a day or two, but that's fairly common with most accounting software. Uh, as for heavy or multi-user operations, it may not scale well, but again, it is not built for large corporations. Okay, that is it for the performance and reliability. So let's touch on the integration and compatibility. Wave integrates smoothly with bank accounts, PayPal, and Stripe for payment processing. It is web-based with apps for both iOS and Android that are surprisingly well optimized. There is no public API for custom integrations as of now, so it may not be ideal for developers looking to build bespoke workflows. Okay, so you can see that it has pricing menu. Let's check out the pricing and plans. This part is very simple. Um, Core accounting, invoicing, and receipt scanning are completely free. Okay, you only pay for payments, which is credit card processing. Now, as you can see, the starter plan. Just starting your business or looking for the basics, this is the place. You can see the price tag is $0, right? So here you see uh, the features of the starter plan. You get to see create unlimited estimates, invoices, bills, and bookkeeping records. Option to accept online payment, 2.9% plus 60 cents per credit card transaction, and 3.4% plus 60 cents per Amex transaction. Invoice on the go with the mobile app, manage cash flow, and customers in one um, dashboard. However, for payroll, it starts around $20 per month plus $6 per um, employee. Now, the pro plan, uh, it says want to look more polished, save more time, and conquer cash flow. It is pro time, so it costs $170 um, annually. Okay, and here are the options. Here are the options. Also import bank transactions or to merge and categorize bank transaction, digitally capture unlimited receipts and track expenses, automate payment reminders, and more. Um, as for advisors and bookkeeping services, um, it has it is an optional add-ons if you need professional help. So there are no hidden fees, and Wave doesn't lock essential features behind a paywall, which is rare in this space. So that is it for the pricing, and you can see what you can do with the free with the free plan, the starter plan, which costs $0. All right, so that is it for the pricing. Now for the support and community, support is available through live chat and email, but only for paying customers. So the chat and email support, the live chat and email support is only available for uh, customers who are paying or who paid, like those using payroll or payment processing. So for free users, there is a comprehensive help center full of tutorials and articles. Wave also has a moderately active community forum where users help each other, but it is not as bustling as some other platforms like um, QuickBooks. All right. So if you come to resources, you can check on how support works and all of that. All right. So that is that. Then for security, Wave uses 256-bit encryption and follows industry best practices to keep your data secured. All data is stored on secure servers and they are PCI Level 1 certified for payment processing, so you can trust it with your financials. Let's quickly touch on the pros and cons of Wave accounting. So number one advantage is that it is completely free for most core features. Yeah, as you rightly saying, it is free for most core features. Like some important features are practically free. You don't need to pay um, to be able to use them. Okay, and it has intuitive interface, great for beginners. Then invoicing and accounting in one place. Also, it has a clean mobile app experience. If you check on the if you download the app, you can explore it and see how smart and clean the mobile experience is. So the disadvantages of Wave accounting include limited scalability for growing businesses. Then there is no project tracking or inventory management. There is no public API for developers, and also customer support is limited for free users. On a final note, should you use Wave accounting? Well, to answer that, if you're a freelancer, consultant, or running a small business and you're looking for an affordable, easy to use accounting tool, Wave is one of the best free options available. However, if you are planning to scale or need advanced features like inventory tracking, time tracking, or multiple user support, you might want to consider alternatives like QuickBooks Online, Zoho Books, or FreshBooks. What's my personal take? My personal take is that Wave is perfect for lean businesses that want to stay on top of their finances without spending a dime. For what it offers at zero cost, it is hard to beat. That wraps it up for my deep dive into Wave accounting. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop a comment below, especially if you use Wave and want to share your experience. Catch you in the next review. Thank you.